that the you three are just enough for a group so that it can function?
I think it's because of Billy. Because Billy's bass sound is so fucking huge that you can get away with just drums, bass, and guitar when you have a bass player like Billy.
If there was a possibility, who would you let in your group?
Gee, I think a piano or B3 would be in order. It's a very bluesy or anything, but can do anything. Piano and Hammond B3 are both able to do any kind of music. But I have a thing with my feet, these special pedals that I play, which play piano, B3, mellotron, synthesizer, everything. So we actually have that covered now. So actually the fourth member is my right foot. So there he is there, the new Mr. Big, size 13, in case you're wondering.